Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have updates and biometrics enabled. Now start. Open TikTok, go to Settings, then Security, and tap Passkeys to begin the only supported flow. You choose your device as the authenticator. This binds TikTok to your device credentials for stronger protection. Why do this first? Because Passkeys eliminate shared passwords and reduce phishing risk. Once selected, follow the on-screen prompt to create the passkey using Face ID or fingerprint. Do it now so the rest is fast and reliable. Once the creation prompt appears, confirm with your biometric or device PIN. This registers a cryptographic key with TikTok tied to your hardware. Make sure to name the passkey if prompted so you can recognize it later. This helps if you use multiple devices. During registration, grant any system permission requests. Without them, the key won't store. After the success message, test signing out and signing back in to verify the passkey works. Complete the flow by confirming sign-in with the new passkey, and then add a backup method like phone or email. This prevents lockout if you lose the device. If the passkey creation fails, restart the app, check network, and make sure system passkeys are enabled in your OS. Retry the registration. If you're locked out, use the backup code or sign in on a device that already has the passkey registered. One key troubleshooting tip: update both OS and app before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.